This video is about how to run spell check and the quality assurance tools on files translated using MemoQ. First, we will discuss the quality assurance tool. To access the quality assurance tool, you need to click the View tab. Then you click Quality Assurance. Please make sure that active document is selected. And then you will select or check the three boxes. Then you specify the location of the QA report. Then you click OK. You will notice that a new tab opens which contains all the errors detected. Whenever you click an error, it will appear in the above window. So when you need to fix an error, then you double click the error and you will go to the translation window. Then you can fix the error. Another way to fix errors is to go to the location of the issue report you have saved in the previous step. Then you double click the report. Then you will see several sections for issues. This is the consistency section. And then the numbers section. And then the punctuation and white space section. And then the terminology section. This is all for the QA part. There are two ways to spell check files translated in MemoQ. The first way is to click the translation tab and then spell check, and then you start fixing issues. The other way is to export the translation file to a Word file and then start fixing issues. First, you need to close the translation window, and then you select the file and right click the file and choose export and export bilingual, and then 2-column RTF, then next, and then export. Then you select the location of the file and then you click save. The RTF file opens. You need to delete this part, and then you run spell check by clicking the F7 key, and then you copy the issue, go back to MemoQ, open the translation file, search for issue, and then fix the issue. This is a longer way, but it is a more accurate way to check spelling. This is all for the spelling part. Now let's have a look at how to clean up files translated in MemoQ or opened in MemoQ. You will have to clean up files if you need to create a TM using one or more unclean files, or if you need to add some unclean files to a TM you have. Unlike Trados and WordFast, MemoQ cannot clean up several files at the same time. So you have to open the file you need to clean up. So the first step is to go to the translation memory you need to populate with the unclean files. You close the translation window and go to translation memory section and select the TM you need. Then you go back to the translation section and double click the file you need to clean up, and then you select all the text in the file you need to clean up. After selecting all text, you right click the text and choose confirm, or you go to the translation tab and then choose confirm. This will update the TM with all the text in the unclean file. This is all for the clean up section.